Hey there guys, welcome back. In this video let us see Tcpdump. So I have told you that I will be making a video on the Tcpdump tool. So I'm making it now. So firstly let us see what is Tcpdump. So the Tcpdump is just an packet capturer and it also analyzes the packets. So I'll be teaching only the main commands, which means the repeated commands we will be using in the Tcpdump. And also I've given other commands which you probably not be using, but it will be useful. So let us see the useful command. So I have given a description on what is Tcpdump. So if you're a beginner, if you haven't seen my video on the dump cap, you will be probably confused with the Tcpdump, dump cap, the Tshark and the Wireshark. So all these differentiation I have given in the, it will be in the sniffing and spoofing playlist, or you can go to the dump cap tutorial. So you can just go to the tcpdump.com and just enter dump cap over here. So you can see the first one, so just click on it. And you can see I have made a difference between the Wireshark, Tshark, dump cap and the Tcpdump. So you can take a look at it. So this blog post link will be in the description box below. Do check it out. So let us see about the Tcpdump. So in the Tcpdump, we will be using the three commands repeatedly. So that is the -t. So -t which displays the network, and the -c for capturing a particular amount of packets, and the -i for the interface. So why not, let's go to the Kali Linux. And yeah, this tool is available for Windows and also for the Linux system. You can download and use it anywhere. So I'm comfortable with the Linux environment. So let us enter Tcpdump. I think we should be in the sudo. Okay, let me go to the root, guys. Okay, now let us enter let us clear it. Tcpdump. And yeah, if you are doing a default scan, you can just enter Tcpdump. So as soon as you enter Tcpdump, it will be starting to capture the packets in the default network. So I think it will be capturing in the Ethernet 0 for me, so you can check it. So this is the default way to capture the packets in Tcpdump. And if you want to specifically capture a particular network, you can just enter Tcpdump and -t. So when you enter Tcpdump -t, it will be displaying all the networks. So let us say that I want to capture my Wi-Fi. So you can see the number 4, that is the wireless. It says it is the wireless. So let us enter Tcpdump. Why not, let us go for the Ethernet 0 itself. Let us specify the network. So to specify, we are entering the -i. So the -i is for the interface. So I am specifying the Ethernet 0. So you can see I have worked with this. While writing blog post, I have worked with this, and let us just give enter. Now we can see that it is capturing the packets from the interface Ethernet 0, from the network Ethernet 0. So it is a way to specify the network. And let us use the -v, verbose. So I'm just teaching the random ones, but these are the most important in the Tcpdump commands. So these are the most important Tcpdump commands. But anyways, in the blog post, I have given every commands in the Tcpdump. You can just go and work with it. So you can see how much commands I have given. And also I have explained how it works. Let us open the Kali. And let us enter -v. So the -v is for verbose, and specifically in the Tcpdump, the verbose is working very perfectly, and it was very helpful. So you can see the changes over here. It says from which source it came from and the destination. It all shows in the domain names. Instead of the IPs, it shows in the domain names. And let us specify how much packet we want to capture. So I'm specifying the interface Ethernet 0. And to specify how much packet we want to capture, we have to enter -c. And then let us specify that I need only 10 packets. So after 10 packets, the packet capturing will be stopped. So let us see. So you can see that the 10 packets captured and 10 packets were filtered. So this is how it works. And also there is a command for promiscuous. So let me go over here and find the command for promiscuous. I think it should be somewhere over here. And also you can specify the packets from which port you want to capture. So even this is an important command. So you can just enter tcpdump -i ethernet 0. And let us say that I want to capture from a specific port, that is the 80. Sorry, we have to enter port. And the Linux is case sensitive. You can see it is working now. So now what it is doing is we are using the interface Ethernet 0 and we are capturing 10 packets from the port 80. So this is how to specify the ports, and we can capture the packets from the specific port. So I think that's it about the tcpdump, guys. And also you can analyze the packets in the tcpdump, but I don't recommend to analyze the packets in the tcpdump because it is in the command line interface format. And also you can see that, yeah, I don't like it, and I think even you don't like it when it is a command line interface. I don't like it. Whereas on the other hand, you have the Wireshark. You can just see in the graphical user interface format, and you can see the diagrams. So I prefer the Wireshark. So you can just capture the packets in the tcpdump and you can just save it and you can load it in the Wireshark. And also to save the files, you can just enter tcpdump -i. So I'm specifying the ethernet 0 -c 10, and you can save just like this. You can just put the arrow mark and save, or you can just enter the -w and specify the directory where you want to save. So I'll be saving the /home/os boxes /pp.pcap.png, and let us give enter. And make sure that the output format is in the pcap or pcap.png. So I'm entering the pcap.png. So I think it should be saved, or let us see. Yeah, I think it should be saved. So let us do cat. Well, it is pp.pcap.png. Let's do a list. Oh, there is a whole list over here. But anyways, guys, to see the files, you can just enter -r command. So you should enter the tcpdump -r. So you can see that I have saved a file. That is the file.pcap. So let us open it in the cat format. So file.pcap. So when I open in this format, you can't see anything. So you'll be just seeing some strings. So if you want to see it in the good format, that is in the correct format, you have to enter tcpdump -r. So the -r is for read. Now you can see that we can see in the normal format. So this is how it works. And also you can specify the particular packets you want to capture. Like we have seen in the Wireshark tutorials that what packets we want to specifically capture. So we have seen in the capture display. So we can just do it by entering tcpdump. But I don't recommend this because you want to capture everything from the network and then you can filter it and you can analyze. So we can just enter tcpdump -i ethernet 0. Let us say that I want to capture only the ARP packets and say -c 10. So I'll be capturing 10 packets. So I don't know why it's very slow for me. So let us enter icmp. But anyways, guys, this is how to capture the packets from the specific packets. So I think that's it, guys. And also you can check my blog post. I have written a really big blog post. So it is a lengthy blog post. You can take a look. So that's it. I hope this video will be helpful for you guys. And if you have any doubt, please comment down below. I will be helping you out. And also there is a Discord server in our description. And also I'll be linking my Twitter account. Do follow me over there. So see you next video, guys.